Welcome to Bunnings Light Up the Warehouse Spectacular direct from Bunnings Maribyrnong. Stay tuned for special guests and festive DIYs as we officially kick off the festive season. We're bringing the magic home for Christmas by lighting up our warehouse and inviting you to do the same at home.
I acknowledge that our event today is broadcast from the lands of the Wurundjeri and Bunurong peoples. I also acknowledge the traditional custodians of the various lands that you are on today and the Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander people watching this event. I pay my respects to elders past and present and celebrate the diversity of Aboriginal peoples and their ongoing cultures and connections to the lands and waters of Australia.
Hi guys, I'm Katie from Katie Thomas Studio and welcome to my Bunnings DIY Live.
Today we're going to be making a rainbow, just like this one. Rainbows are a symbol of hope and they make me really happy, and I hope this makes you happy too.
This is our finished laundry and I'm really excited with how it's turned out.
You'll need a pencil, some permanent markers, different sizes is great, and you'll need your favourite game controller.
You're going to need some macrame cord, so if you come over here and have a look.
The really groovy thing about this is that you can choose whatever colours you would like.
And we said, wow, this pantry would make the perfect size bench seat. So we have quite literally put our pantry on the ground and panelled it up.
So this is actually called Molasses V, and it's from the Caboodle range.
Most people know Caboodle cabinetry for their kitchens, but I started to think, well, what if I applied the same sort of notion, but I put other cabinets on top of cabinets? Surely at the end of the day we could create some wardrobes if you can create a kitchen.
Hey guys, I just saw a special visitor sneaking in to do his Christmas shopping. Let's see if we can find him.
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas! Let me see what's in the letterbox today. Dear Santa, I learned to walk and climb this year. Please bring me something to play in my backyard. Annabelle. Dear Santa, my daddy needs a new tool for his tool shed. Love, Millie. Dear Santa, we want to make our house Christmassy like yours. Love from Annabelle and Lockie. Dear Santa, Mummy wants to grow herbs. She's been a very good mummy this year. Love from Felix and Florence. Off we go. Nigel, a lovely little girl named Millie would like a new tool for her father's tool shed. What would you suggest?
I think that the Ryobi hammer drill
Yes.
would be a perfect addition to the tool shed.
Yes.
So it comes with the drill, 2 batteries
Yes.
and a charger.
Yes.
And it also comes in a wonderful carry case.
Oh.
So nice and handy.
Yes.
So you can store it away. Very simple to use. Fairly lightweight. So just...
I like that.
Nice and easy.
Nigel, I'll take one right now.
You'll take one of those?
Yes, please.
I think Millie's dad will be very happy with that.
He will be.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for that today, Nigel.
You have a lovely Christmas.
I will, and Merry Christmas to you.
Thank you. Merry Christmas.
Hello there, Rick.
Hi, Santa.
Rick, I've got a request from Abby and Lockie. They want to make their house as festive as my house in North Pole. What lighting do you suggest?
Well, these vintage mini fairy lights have been flying off the shelf.
Oh.
They come in 8 different modes.
Yes.
So they're appropriate for any situation.
I'll take a box of them. Now, what would you have for the lawn out the front?
Well, for the lawn, we have these warm white tree stakes They're a 10-pack, appropriate for outdoors.
Yes.
And this way the reindeers can't miss their house.
Oh, good. I'll make this up as a runway.
Excellent.
Now, what else do you have special?
We also have these solar power blue icicle lights. They're an 800 pack and they also light up in 8 different modes.
Good. I'll take a box of them as well. Thank you for your help, Rick.
Thank you for shopping at Bunnings, Santa.
Santa, you must be busy at the moment.
I'm always busy at this time of year, Raylene. Raylene, I've got a request for some more herbs for Felix and Florence's mother. What do you suggest that I should get extra?
What about some oregano?
Yes.
And some thyme?
Oh, I like oregano and I need some more thyme.
You definitely do. You're
I
so
think I
busy
do.
this time of year.
What type of soil should I get for it?
I would go veggie herb mix.
Good, eh?
And look, if you go for a premium mix, it will have fertiliser in it, but it's always good to top up with a bit more fertiliser, especially like for your tomato. They love their food.
Raylene, I think I've got enough information off you right now. I've got to go off and find some play equipment for another child.
So that's where you're off to.
Thank you for your help, Raylene.
No worries.
You have a good Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas
Ho,
to
ho,
you
ho,
too.
ho.
See you, Santa.
Before Santa leaves us, I'm going to show him some of the amazing DIY projects we're doing at home. He might need a little help to bring some magic home to the North Pole this Christmas. Santa!
Hello,
Come and check out what we're doing over here.
What are we doing here today, Mel?
We are doing some DIY crafts.
Yes.
So we're making a Santa pot.
Oh, I like them.
So you can see some of the ones that we've made earlier.
Fantastic.
So first thing we're going to do is
Yes.
we're going to grab our terracotta pot.
Yes.
And we're going to use some of our bright red craft paint.
Good-o.
So we're going to paint the bottom of that.
Yes.
So I've started one already.
Yes.
Did you want to have a go
I'll
at finishing
have
that
a go
one
at
off for me,
finishing it off,
Santa?
Mel. Thank you, Mel.
All right. So the next step that we're going to do is we're going to create Santa's belt.
Yes.
So we're going to take some of our black electrical tape
I like that.
and we're going to just run that around the top
Mm-hmm.
until you've covered the top of the pot.
Yes.
We'll get some scissors to cut that off. Might get Mum and Dad to help with the scissors.
Good.
So once we've created Santa's belt,
Yes.
all we need to do is add Santa's buckle now. So we're going to get a little bit of our Kids Safe glue.
Yes.
And we're going to put a little bit of glue onto the back of our washer.
Good.
Or onto our pot.
Mhm.
Again, get Mum and Dad to give you a hand with that one.
Yes.
And then we can stick our washer onto the front of our pot there. That
Mhm.
creates Santa's buckle.
Lovely.
So it might take a little while to dry, so you just sort of hold it on there for a little bit, maybe get a peg to
Yes.
hold it onto there. So you can use it to put a plant in, you know,
Yes.
your little mini Christmas tree,
Yes.
or some treats and little mince pies. I've done this one, I might give this one to my mum for Christmas.
Oh, right. You wouldn't want to leave it out for Santa, would you?
Oh, you could leave a few out for
Oh,
Santa.
good-o.
And then just some little chocolates,
Mhm.
a little snow globe.
Fantastic.
Lots of different ideas.
And
you
what
can use
else
it
are we
for.
doing here today, Mel?
Okay, so our other activity is we are making a twinkle jar.
Yes.
So we've taken one of our nice glass sort of jars or pots that we've got in the
Yes.
store, and some old baubles that I had and some little hessian at the bottom.
Mhm.
And I've got some of our festive lights
Oh.
from our festive light range.
Yes.
So we've just sort of put that all together in there with one of our pots from our nursery range.
Yes.
So Santa, you can pick up some lights from Bunnings and bring a little magic to your home.
A bright jar like this will make it easier for my reindeer to come to your home.
Perfect. Bunnings has lots of great ideas for DIY Christmas crafts, decorations and gift ideas, so check out the Kids Resources page on our website and lots of tutorials on our Bunnings YouTube page.
Thank you, Mel, and wishing you all a happy Merry Christmas.
It's almost time to light up the warehouse. Let's take a look at how our warehouse is transformed for Christmas.
Now let's light up the warehouse. 3, 2, 1.
So much. Darling, looks great.
Looks pretty good, eh?
Food's almost ready.
Put it on. Yay!
Bring home a little magic this Christmas.